I want to share something with you that I've been studying and actually practicing on myself to appreciate. The new rich is your intelligence, your knowledge, your ability to take ideas and convert them into action. And the new wealth is your health. If you have intelligence, I promise you, you won't go broke. What I mean by intelligence is not studying and passing a test. I'm talking about street smart. I'm talking about understanding how to find the information you need to study something and figure out how to solve problems, how to solve needs, how to come up with a product, how to go from point A to point B to point C. That's intelligence, and I think that's your new rich, and your new wealth is when you have health. If you have health, you're wealthy, because if you lose that, I don't care how much money you have, it won't replace your health.